Hi, Geordie Dave doing the allotment. I haven't been down for a while. Well, haven't done a video for a while. I'm down nearly every day doing stuff. So I'm going to give you a bit of a tour. We'll call this the August tour and give you an idea what we've been up to. A lot of plants have been dug up and all that now and taken away, but we've still got some stuff in. So back in a tick. Okay, I'm at the back of the allotment. That's where my water barrels and all that are starting to run out. I'm trying to give you a sort of an idea of what we've got. We've got some courgettes here. Starting to flower and grow. Already had a couple of nice big ones off there. So that's that. These are sprouts. Grown up nice and big. There you go. So what's left of our lettuce? We've been picking that all year. I'll move in a bit. This bed's been a failure this year, I don't know why. But there's some strawberries down here. We brought them off. They seem to be dying in a thing, but they're doing well back in the pots. In here is where carrots. And up here is my peas.
I've got a peas in bag, I've got some pea pods in bag.
Pea pods have been picked. This is a cucumber. And if we go into the greenhouse, tomato plants, tomatoes starting to grow, cucumbers, and peppers on the top. Everything's just had to be water. I haven't been down for 2 days. And we'll move up. We'll clear out this area. We'll clean it. In there is parsnips. And as you see, we've dug this area over. This is where we've had the fire. A lot of soil on there to move stuff around. Oh, this is going to be cleared. This is going to be some sort of a sitting area, barbecue area when it's done. Level this top off and put plants and all that. Greenhouse is eventually going to go here. This bed's nothing in. Another cucumber outside plant. Done outside. Got a nice cucumber there. Where our tatties were. If you remember, you'll have seen them. The tatties all dug up and gone. And there's the apple tree. And the rhubarb, which we're going to be pulling some of that up soon. And finally, this is our wild garden, which has really done well this year. It's full of bees and everything.
Before you know, most of those seeds are from Poundland.
Yeah, aye. Most of the seeds we got in here from Poundland. Comfrey plant there. So wild gardens done really well. So that's it for. Well, I'll swing you for a look down the allotment that way. That's the tour for August. We'll be sort of winding down for the autumn soon, and as I say, so don't forget, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave us a comment, and we'll catch you again soon. So bye for now.